Hey guys, welcome to Tech Brother. This video is about Kechaoda K36, which is the most unusual phone in 2018 with unconventional design. So why this phone exists in 2018, I'm going to tell you in this video. So it has 5000 mAh battery and an extra antenna which you can detach just like that and reattach it again. In case if you need extra signal power and where there is a reception is not good, you can attach it to get good reception. And let's have a look at this phone.
Let's have a look at this one. On the front side there are 4 dedicated music buttons. This is play and pause to stop the music, to go to the previous song and go to the next song. Here you can see the dedicated FM button. Just press it to turn on the FM radio, and there is no need to attach an extra earphone to be used as FM antenna because there is already one pre-installed. At the bottom you can see the dedicated camera button, audio recording button and flashlight button. On the back side you can see 2 speakers which are extremely powerful and loud. So because of these speakers this phone can be used as a jukebox, and with the 5000 milliamp power there will be no problem to playing it along. And here you can see the camera with the flashlight. It has dedicated memory card slot with dual SIM card. So let's have a look at this phone once again.
This phone is not just for everyone. This phone is for those who travels a lot and where reception is not good. This phone could be the better option from any other phones available in the market due to extra antenna. You can replace your landline with this phone as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share my channel with your friends so they could know about the phones like this and other upcoming videos. Thanks for your precious time. I'll be back soon with a new video.